Them a
You can see on your profile.
yes, MarkX man take over. What? You can beat me on this.
You know it's Giant G-Man representing for 4K Shella Energy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Click the bell to be notified.
Yes, MarkX man take over. What? You can beat me on this. Yes, him take over.
Them ask if you're still in manager. You're still in manager?
Shoot up in MarkX. So make sure you're in there when you can shoot it up.
So viewer subscriber, Brii went live on TikTok with some other girls and she explained a lot of things and yeah man, I know I don't want to miss it. But I only have the audio and so you can just listen to it and hear what she have to say. And as you hear before, Brii has say a MarkX man take over here now. Yeah man. So Brii basically make you know say Silk Boss is no more in the picture as just she and the MarkX man. But what me want to know is who is the MarkX man? Basically, I think that's everybody's question. Who is the MarkX man? You see me?
You have a man a fuck you now, you not return my call then. Our day me coulda shoot up in MarkX. But when me pray me say never make her sense.
Yes, him take over.
Them ask if you're still in manager. You're still in manager?
Shoot up in MarkX. So make sure you're in there when you can shoot it up.
Where you say you're nobody's manager?
Me not manage nobody.
I go
I
say
manage myself.
You're
Moment, me I manage myself. I want to manage myself.
So there's one of it, viewer subscriber. Brii is no longer Silk Boss manager. And I want to see how far Silk Boss will go from now on out, as I said in my last video. Because I don't know, a lot of people did say Brii wasn't a good manager. And them want to see Silk Boss in a better hands with better manager, you see me? So as I say, I want to see where Silk Boss will go from now. And Silk Boss is a very good artist. We cannot take that from him. You see me? I want you to, no matter where him go through, I always put it in a song and it a go sound good. Just like Sorry. You see me? One of Silk Boss, them greatest hit. So big up to the youth and I hope that the dog no really like make this hold him down. Him just continue with his career and you see me, focus on himself. Cause I think Silk Boss need a time like that to focus on himself and his career. You see me, if he better off his craft.
I'm not frightened if I be ma. If I be ma, I'm driving. Could I drive
one blood clot Brii. One Brii.
Feel me heart hurt me. Yo dog right now me say me need a surgery. Feel them love no worthy.
Yeah man, so 1Skimask and the team are travel. Yeah man, 1Skimask performer Amazura and now Connecticut. And the list goes on, you see me? The youth are perform and as I say, the youth are do well so far. So I have to say big up to the team we have behind him, which is True Ambassador. And also Dino Crazy. You see me? Because Dino them share the stage with the youth and also me did tell them say 1Skimask song will touch 1 million and which it did. Yeah man, 1Skimask song done is touch 1 million and officer big up to the youth and continue putting in the work. You see me 1Skimask? Yeah man, enough people may not like that, but it's the truth and 1Skimask are doing thing right now, you see me? So before I close off the video, I want to say this to some comedians out there where also I do the music. Now watch a man, you see me? Now watch a man because I know I do comedy and I know also have the music as a side hustle and now watch a man because him take off. Overnight sensation. Now watch that. Just continue do what you do. And one day phone time soon reach where you go touch the stage. You see me? As I say, I'm not a big fan of comedians, but I respect them hustle. And I know a few of them where I do the music on the side. You see me? But now watch a man, phone time soon reach. You see me? And just continue putting in the hard work. Nothing beats hard work. You see me? But you put in the hard work and feel than you sit down and do nothing. So big up on yourself same way. And viewer subscriber if you reach this far, remember as always subscribe to 4K Shella Energy and run up the channel to 1000.